Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you looking for ways to earn extra income in 2023? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're sharing with you 5 proven side hustle ideas that you can start with just your mobile phone today. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or start a new business, these side hustles have the potential to provide you with the extra income you need to reach your financial goals. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's get started. Segment 1. Online tutoring. The first side hustle we're going to talk about is online tutoring. With the rise of online learning, the demand for online tutors has grown significantly. You can use your mobile device to connect with students and provide tutoring services in a variety of subjects. Whether you're an expert in math, science, or languages, there's a student out there who needs your help. The best part is, you can work from anywhere and set your own schedule. And, with platforms like TutorMe, it's easy to get started. Segment 2. Online survey taker. The second side hustle we're going to talk about is online survey taking. Companies are always looking for consumer opinions to help improve their products and services. You can use your mobile device to participate in online surveys and earn money for your opinions. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks are great places to find online surveys. The best part is, it's a flexible and easy way to earn extra income. Segment 3. Social media manager. The third side hustle we're going to talk about is social media management. With the rise of social media, businesses and individuals are always looking for help managing their accounts. You can use your mobile device to manage social media accounts, create content, and engage with followers. Platforms like Hootsuite and Buffer make it easy to schedule posts and track analytics. This is a great way to turn your love for social media into extra income. Segment 4. Online seller. The fourth side hustle we're going to talk about is online selling. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and eBay have made it easier than ever to start an online store. You can use your mobile device to take pictures of your products, list them for sale, and manage orders. With the right products and a little bit of marketing, you can turn your side hustle into a full-time business. Segment 5. Online freelance work. The fifth and final side hustle we're going to talk about is online freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr have made it easier than ever to find freelance work. You can use your mobile device to offer your services as a writer, graphic designer, or video editor. There are many opportunities available for freelancers with a wide range of skills. And that's it. Those are our 5 proven side hustle ideas for extra income in 2023. Remember, starting a side hustle requires hard work and dedication, but with the right idea and a bit of effort, you can earn extra income and achieve financial freedom. Don't wait any longer. Start today with your mobile phone and take the first step towards financial freedom in 2023. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.